Hello day traders, you're watching ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Kate Nidachina. Recently, crude oil has entered the bull market. The rally is driven by a steady decline in the US oil rig count. The number of drilling rigs in the United States dropped by 9 to 605 in the latest week. The active rig count has fallen by 61 for 5 years. On the early session today, Brent futures rose 29 cents to $52.94 a barrel, while WTI futures gained 33 cents to $49.96. Such a dynamic made the US policymakers pound it on lifting their 40-year loan ban on oil exports. This idea was welcomed by the House of Representatives of the US Congress. Lawmakers voted 261 against 159 to lift the embargo. Now the bill has to be considered by the Senate, where its prospects are uncertain because President Barack Obama threatened to veto this measure with a view to encourage development of alternative energy sources. However, the main oil industry lobbyist stated that this measure would help the US oil producers hold their own global market against Russia and Iran and also seek alternative energy sources. Meanwhile, the OPEC Secretary General foresees growing demand for oil. As soon as supplies from non-OPEC countries drop, demand for oil will increase instantly. OPEC Secretary General Abdullah al-Badri told at the Oil and Money Conference in London. According to his estimate, global demand for oil will surge to 110 million barrels a day by 2014. Kuwait oil minister noted that oil output in his country could rise 100,000 barrels a day in the first quarter of 2016. Nowadays, the country pumps up nearly 3 million barrels a day. The OPEC survey reads that at present oil production in the world totals almost 75 million barrels a day. Today, investors are awaiting macroeconomic statistics from China, in particular foreign trade balance and export and import sales. This data will enable investors to determine a further dynamic of oil prices. It was ИнстаФорекс, you sent me, Kate Nidachina. See you next release.